Artificial intelligence is not coming. It is already here, in your phone, in your child's classroom, in the algorithm that decides what news you read, what job offer you see, what medical advice you receive. It is woven into the fabric of our daily lives, often operating in the shadows of our awareness. We must ask ourselves, what does this mean for our agency? The question is not whether AI will shape your future. The question is, will it serve your humanity or replace it? One pope, one scholar, 4 books, one answer. It starts with our children. AI and me, my smart helper, introduces Maya and her AI helper Spark. But the message is clear from page 1. Natural intelligence first, artificial intelligence second. We must teach our children that they are the ones in charge. Your brain is the boss. The most important thing we can teach is not how to use AI, but who is in charge. It is about empowering the next generation with agency and wisdom. For the thinkers and policymakers, we ask the defining question of this century. Who holds the power over AI? Who benefits and who bears the cost? Ethics cannot be an afterthought. It must be built into the foundation of these systems before the damage is done, not after. We need a moral framework for governance. Now, with the release of Magnifica Humanitas, the Pope is asking the same question from Rome. We are united in this pursuit of human dignity in the age of machines. For every family navigating this world without a roadmap, my AI GPS is your guide. It is practical, accessible, and requires no technical background. A GPS gives you directions, but you decide the destination. You can override it, stop it, or change course. Keep your hands on the wheel of your life. This is for the viewer who feels left behind. AI should be liberating, not intimidating. Join us in mastering the tools that shape our daily reality. And finally, the book behind all others, AI and the Fate of Humanity. What does this technology mean for us as a civilization, a species, and as communities? We speak for the communities that have been excluded from every prior technological revolution, for the global South, for the Haitian diaspora. This time, we are in the room. Tower of Babel, or City of Dignity? That is the question. And this time, we are the ones answering it. The future of our shared humanity hangs in the balance. Our mission is simple, yet profound. Scientia Innovatio Humanitas. Knowledge and innovation dedicated to the service of all humanity. The arguments advanced here are not a closed system. They are an opening. Every classroom, family, and community that adopts a human-centered framework is a continuation of this conversation. Our 5 living digital spaces are the ongoing infrastructure of this dialogue. As with all honest intellectual work, they are explicitly works in progress. The work continues, the platforms are growing, the door is open. Visit us at drvermeille.com and our other platforms. Come back often and bring someone with you.